Can we really live on Venus? Imagine a future where humans walk on the clouds of Venus, a planet often considered inhospitable. In today's video, we're diving deep into this fascinating possibility and exploring whether life on Venus could be a reality. Stay tuned to uncover the incredible potential and challenges of colonizing our neighboring planet. We're not just talking about survival, we're talking about thriving in an environment so different from Earth. The latest research and technological advancements are opening doors to possibilities that were once only science fiction. Could Venus become the next frontier for human exploration? By the end of this video, you'll have a fresh perspective on Venus and the potential it holds for human habitation. Get ready to be amazed by the innovative ideas and scientific breakthroughs that could turn Venus from a fiery inferno into a new home for humanity. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Venus, often called Earth's twin, is similar in size and structure but vastly different in terms of its environment. With surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead and atmospheric pressure 92 times that of Earth, it seems like the last place we'd want to live. However, recent studies suggest that the upper atmosphere of Venus might offer more hospitable conditions. Around 50 kilometers above Venus's surface, the temperature and pressure are much more similar to those on Earth. This region, known as the cloud deck, has temperatures between 30 to 70 degrees Celsius and pressures similar to sea level on Earth. Here, the idea of floating cities comes into play. Imagine vast floating habitats suspended in the clouds of Venus. These cities could be constructed using materials that are lighter than the dense coated atmosphere of Venus, allowing them to float. These habitats would be designed to provide all the necessities of life, including oxygen, water, food, and protection from the harsh acidic environment outside. How would we construct these floating cities? One idea is to use a combination of advanced materials like aerogels, which are incredibly light and strong. These materials could form the basis of large, balloon-like structures that float in the Venusian atmosphere. Solar panels could provide energy, while advanced filtration systems could ensure a supply of clean water and air. One of the major challenges of living on Venus is its thick, toxic atmosphere, composed mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. To overcome this, our floating cities would need to be hermetically sealed, with advanced life support systems to maintain a breathable environment inside. Creating a self-sustaining ecosystem is crucial. Hydroponic farming techniques could be employed to grow food inside these habitats, using nutrient-rich water instead of soil. This not only saves space but also ensures a controlled environment for crops, free from the harsh conditions outside. Water, a critical resource, could be harvested from the atmosphere. Venus's clouds contain trace amounts of water vapor, which could be collected and purified. This water would then be recycled continuously within the habitat, ensuring a sustainable supply for drinking, farming, and other needs. Energy is another vital aspect. Venus receives a significant amount of solar energy, given its proximity to the sun. Solar panels on the exterior of our floating cities could capture this energy, providing power for all the habitat's needs, from lighting to life support systems. Communication with Earth would be essential for the success of any Venusian colony. Satellite relays could ensure constant communication, allowing for the transfer of data, video calls, and even real-time monitoring of conditions within the habitats. Scientific research would be a major focus of any Venusian colony. Studying Venus's atmosphere, geology, and potential for life would provide invaluable insights into planetary science and the history of our solar system. Instruments and labs within the floating cities could conduct experiments and send data back to Earth. Living on Venus would also require us to rethink our approach to space travel and colonization. Unlike Mars, which has been the primary focus for human colonization, Venus presents unique challenges and opportunities. Its proximity to Earth means shorter travel times and less radiation exposure compared to a journey to Mars. The psychological aspects of living in such an environment cannot be overlooked. Ensuring the mental well-being of inhabitants would be crucial. Recreational areas, social interactions, and mental health support would be integral parts of the habitat design. Venus's day is longer than its year, with one rotation taking 243 Earth days and one orbit around the Sun taking 225 Earth days. This unique day-night cycle would require careful management of light and dark periods within the habitats to maintain a healthy circadian rhythm for the inhabitants. The concept of floating cities on Venus isn't just a wild dream. NASA and other space agencies are actively researching and developing technologies that could make this a reality. The high-altitude Venus operational concept HAVOC is one such project, exploring the feasibility of crewed missions to Venus's upper atmosphere. HAVOC envisions a series of missions, starting with robotic explorers and eventually leading to crewed airships that could spend extended periods floating above Venus. These missions would test the technologies needed for long-term habitation and pave the way for permanent settlements. Private companies are also showing interest in Venus. With the success of commercial space ventures like SpaceX, the prospect of private sector involvement in Venusian exploration and colonization is becoming more likely. These companies bring innovation, funding, and a drive to push the boundaries of what is possible. International collaboration will be key. Just as with the International Space Station, a Venusian colony could benefit from the combined expertise and resources of multiple countries. This collaboration would not only enhance the technological capabilities but also foster a spirit of global unity and cooperation. Imagine children in classrooms around the world learning about their counterparts living in floating cities on Venus. This would inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers driven by the dream of interplanetary living. The economic opportunities are vast. Developing the technologies for living on Venus could lead to advancements that benefit life on Earth. From new materials to energy solutions, the innovations spurred by space exploration often have far-reaching impacts. The exploration of Venus also raises important questions about our responsibility as spacefarers. How do we protect the environments of other planets while pursuing our ambitions? Ensuring that our activities on Venus are sustainable and respectful of its unique environment will be crucial. Living on Venus would be a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. It would show that we can thrive even in the most challenging environments, using our creativity and technological prowess to overcome obstacles. The story of Venus is not just about survival, it's about thriving and pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. It's about turning a harsh, unforgiving world into a place where life can flourish. As we look to the future, the vision of humans living on Venus serves as a powerful symbol of our potential. It reminds us that with determination, innovation, and collaboration, we can achieve extraordinary things. Imagine the day when the first human sets foot on a floating city in the Venusian atmosphere. That moment will be a milestone in our journey of exploration, a testament to our enduring spirit of discovery. The journey to Venus will be filled with challenges, but each challenge is an opportunity to learn, grow, and innovate. It's a journey that will push us to our limits and beyond, revealing the true extent of our capabilities. So, as we dream of living on Venus, let's embrace the spirit of adventure and exploration. Let's look to the clouds of Venus with hope and determination, knowing that we are capable of turning dreams into reality. Together, we can make the impossible possible. The future of human exploration is bright, and Venus is just the beginning. Let's reach for the stars and beyond, creating a future where humans can live and thrive on multiple worlds. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey to Venus. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the possibility of living on Venus. If we reach 500 likes, we'll make a video about why the universe is expanding. Stay tuned for more fascinating videos about space exploration and the future of humanity. Together, we can explore the universe and make the impossible possible. See you in the next video.